machine! Hello, my friend. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And I hope you're ready because I'm taking you on a waterfall adventure today. I got a great night's sleep. I've been hanging out in the mountains because it's been extremely hot out. So I found a really nice private place to camp last night, and I woke up ready to take on the world. And you know me, first thing I need in the morning is a cup of coffee. Whether it's my straight superfood coffee or my instant mushroom coffee, I have to have my cup of joe. Usually I use a French press, but I'm switching it up a little bit and using a pour over today. Speaking of coffee, if you haven't checked out my coffee, check it out at drstraight.com. I just listed a 3-pack with 3 of my best sellers. There's the Hannah's Magic, which is the French roast, the Bigfoot Reserve, which is the Italian roast, and Golden Hour, which is the medium roast. So if you're not sure where to start, it's just for you. You have to let me know your favorite way to have coffee in the morning. Let me know in the comments down below. This is also another product that I just launched on my website. They're collagen peptides. I don't know if you've heard of collagen peptides before, but I have 2 different types, and collagen peptides are a great source of protein. When I use 12 grams of collagen peptides, I get about 11 grams of protein, and it dissolves seamlessly in the hot coffee. It tastes flavorless, and it's just a great addition and perfect start to a morning adventure. But then again, if you don't like to put anything in your coffee, no big deal, because I also add it to my smoothies. I just really like it because it's flavorless and it's got a really high ratio of protein. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get this adventure started. So I'm at the middle level of the waterfall right now. Look at these little streams. So cool. So many streams! Crawling. Oh. Yeah, go further up. Up, up, and away. We're up a little bit higher now. This is a cool little pool. Ah, there we go. Little mid-level waterfall pool. Normally, I don't think I would be able to do this because there's usually water rushing over all of this. So, this is really cool. And it's perfect temperature. You see the little waterfall behind me?
These little guys chucked themselves off the waterfall and did 6 barrel rolls. I was highly concerned, but somehow they all made it out without a scratch.
Check this guy out. So pretty.
This is me frantically trying to find Mr. Snake and ensure he wasn't slithering around my legs
Welcome to Hannah's Magical Pool. I hope you like it. My tripod is currently in 4 feet of water. It can't get any sketchier than this, which is why I always need a new camera, but it's worth it because I wanted you to see this amazing waterfall tonight. Typically this waterfall is overflowing with water. All of these rocks are covered in water usually, but there was not that much snow this year, so the snow's all gone, and it's really hot out, so the water's really low. It's really cool. You can walk all over the waterfall and get super close to the falls, which you wouldn't really get to do right after winter. But I'm really enjoying this pool. It's perfect temperature. It's not cold at all, because it's about 90 degrees out, and I'm in the mountains, which is pretty unheard of, to be honest with you. It's just a really warm summer, especially since it's only, I guess it's July. But August is usually the best month for swimming up in the mountains because all the water has gotten really warm. But I'm lucky enough this year to enjoy it in July. Unfortunately, I basically missed waterfall season this year, but I'm going to jump on it next year. I don't want to miss it. I still wanted to check this one out, but they really just aren't as beautiful unless you come at the right time because a lot of them are snowmelt fed, so the best time to go is right after winter when spring starts. And obviously the water's a lot colder there because it's coming from snowmelt, but it's just so much more magnificent. Not that this isn't magnificent, it's just so much prettier right at the end of winter. So if I can catch any at the end of the summer, I will, but don't be disappointed because there probably won't be quite as much water as usual. Finding these beautiful places hidden away behind some pine trees that you may not have known was there. Secluded and beautiful and peaceful. That's what I look for in life, and hopefully this video inspires you to find your secret hidden place in nature that you can go out, explore, and enjoy, find some peace of mind in this crazy world that we live in. I hope I don't get eaten by a snake. I don't know where that guy went. He had already eaten. Don't worry. There's a lot of water bugs though. They're so cool. They're like little Spider-Men, like checking everything out all over the water. There was a spider in my hair earlier. I was like, hello, buddy. Hey, Foresty Forest. I heard you were looking for me. Sorry, buddy. You're at the wrong waterfall. Maybe next time though.
Just sitting here taking a break, enjoying the view. I like to try to stick around until sunset. Get to see the beautiful skies. Golden hour is what I call it. I think that's what everybody calls it. I think it's just the most magical time of the day. Morning's really nice too, but sometimes evening is just the killer time of day. You just gotta wait for it to come around. Probably go in for one last dip before it gets dark. Probably the